So another extension of componendo and dividendo is that if there is a ratio x over y such that it is alpha over beta, then we can manipulate it with some real coefficients a1 comma b1 such that we get the final values as a1 alpha plus b1 beta over a1 alpha minus b1 beta. So this is just a useful extension that we should keep in mind. So now I'll solve this problem using componendo and dividendo. So if the ratio r is 7x minus 4y over 3x plus 4y, so we can apply formula 2 to this ratio in order to get some simplified expression on right hand side of our equation. So let us apply this. So if suppose x here is 7x minus 4y, and so let me change it for this. So say it's x1 plus y1 and all this is x1 y1 x1 and y1. So x1 is 7x minus 4y and y1 is 3x plus 4y. So if we apply the equation in part 2, we get to see that it becomes x1 minus y1 over x1 plus y1 equals to 7x minus 4y minus 3x plus 4y, and remember that this is r over 1 here, right? So this is r over 1, and so this will transform as r1 minus 1 over r1 plus 1, and this in the denominator we add x1 and y1, so we add 7x minus 4y plus 3x plus 4y, right? So if we see this carefully and solve it, so we get 4x minus 8y over 10x, because this 4y and 4y cancel out, and this becomes r1 minus 1 over r1 plus 1, and we get 4 over 10 minus 8 over 10 into y over x, and y over x we know is 4 over 3, right? So this becomes r1 minus 1 over r1 plus 1, and so we can take the LCM and we get 30. 12 minus 32 over 30 is equals to r1 minus 1 over r1 plus 1, and we get minus 2 over 3 equals to r1 minus 1 r1 plus 1. So we can take the componendo and dividendo again here. So we add the numerators, right, and subtract the denominator. So when we add the numerators we get 2r1, and when we subtract the denominator we get minus 2, and on the right hand side when we add the numerators we get so if say minus 2 is the numerator, so we get minus 2 plus 3 is 1, and in the denominator minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, so we get the value of r1 as 1 over 5 or 0.2. So this is how we can also apply the concept of componendo and dividendo in solving or tackling these ratio problems. Okay.